Setting tariffs, targets, and alerts with Acutrace by Pinergy is simple and easy to do. For the best results, please use Chrome as your browser. Set screen resolution to 67% and click the login URL provided by your account manager. Log in using your case-sensitive username and password. Save credentials when prompted. To set a target starting from the home screen, click the Settings cog icon on the top left-hand side of the screen. From there, select your preferred building. Within the building drop-down, click Maximum Energy Consumption Targets, and they will show. Then scroll to the desired meter you wish to review. Once your baseline is established, enter your weekday and weekend targets with their start year and month. Then simply click Save. A green target line will now appear on the single meter view for the selected meter. You can also set up an email alert to notify you once targets are reached. To do so, simply click Alerts. Turn on the Breach Alert row, enter the email address of the desired recipient. If there are multiple recipients, just separate the email addresses with a comma and click Save. To update tariffs, click on your desired building tariff drop-down in the Settings section. You can update your blended rate here, and when this change comes into effect, save by clicking Save Changes. You can also click View History to see how your rates have changed, allowing your data to always be accurate and up to date within your reports. With Acutrace by Pinergy, powerful insights are always at your fingertips.